Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. A quick update this evening. It was a very eventful, frustrating, long, annoying, drama-filled day. And we're going to end it here with some dinner that's on its way. So this is going to be a very brief episode of Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing to my beautiful, lovely, glowing, stunning audience. And we're going to look at Bitcoin real quick. I got some scribbly lines on here from earlier. Just random nonsense. You can see this morning, we were seeing what was going to happen. This morning, I don't remember, the price was up in here somewhere. We said it could come up and retest and then see if it doesn't get rejected and come back to the 200-day moving average. And I thought it would come to the 200-day moving average, and it came up a little bit, and then it came down to the 200-day. Then it came up, and now it just flashed down again. So it's getting very choppy. Usually when you see a big choppiness like this, that's signaling that the pattern's about to change, right? You can see this whole way up. It was a nice uniform move up, and now we got this chopping action going on, right? And I think you might be about to break down for another leg to the downside, maybe down to that $53,169 target down there in an up and down fashion. I think you may be coming down there, right? So we're going to keep an eye on that target down there. Obviously, the price action's moved along, but I'm not going to move the target to save some time. You can see the Doge has had a phenomenal day today. Very volatile, and you can see this can be concerning. This often concerns me when you get big wicks. That means you had big heavy sell pressure, which means the price can come down, right? So I would pay attention right now. If it can't get above this green ring, you're going to come back into this 200-day moving average area. So I would watch for it to bounce this evening between this green upper resistance at 32 cents and this blue underneath support at 27 cents. And if you can't hold the 27 cents, you would come to the 200-day. If you can get on top of this green ring, you can pop up to here, right? So that's what we're going to watch out for in the Dogecoin. The XRP, nothing's really changed. We came back and we're back testing the descending triangle that we broke down out of, right? We went over that extensively. I'm not going to go over it right now. I just do not have the time for it, right? We went over that extensively, though. What happened, your upper resistance, your lower support. It looks like about, oh, that color's better. We like that. We'll go with that. No, not that. Your lower support. Make that a deuce, right? And then we broke down out of that with our industry exclusive wavy line tool, price predicting forecast. And we had the technical target. We'll move that over there. Of right there, and you can see the price. We'll make this circle smaller. Oops. You can see the price. Wick down to it, right to our technical target. And if you've been watching our videos, my videos, I don't know who this R is. You'll notice that we've been calling for this since way back there with the descending triangle. The price action was in here somewhere when we drew out the technical target. And then like they always like to do, not always, but often, they like to back test it. And then now it'll probably get rejected and at least come back down there. So that's what we're going to watch out for. Then the XRP, the Shiba coin, is starting to give that big chopping action up here. And that's what I'm talking about with the big wicks we had circled there. That's why that was circled there, because I noticed the big wicks, just like I mentioned, it concerns me when you get out there seeing that. And now the price action's been getting choppy after that uniform run up, which leads me to believe that this price could be about to come down. And if it breaks down out of this little consolidation, right, the price would start to step down the moving averages. And I do believe you're going to end up way back where this started. But as always, we'll keep a phenomenal eye on that to see exactly what happens. But I do think you're eventually going to come back, test that down there, what I got circled. So we'll keep an eye on that in Shiba. If we roll on over to some of these altcoins, the Dent, Jerome loves Dent, and so do many others. You can see from the other day after we told you, or after I told you and Vincenzo told you, if you broke below this 200-day moving average in green when we were up there, as long as you were above that, you were bullish. As soon as we dipped below it, we said you were bearish, and then it came and back tested it, and now it's gotten rejected. So this green 200-day moving average is acting as resistance now in the 2 and 3 hour and 4 hour time frame. So if it can't get back up on top of that, this 200-day moving average is going to start to trade down. This price is going to get rejected, and it's going to force the price down into there, right? down to this underneath support at 0.004149 if you can't bounce back above that green 200-day moving average, right? So that's what we're looking at in the short term there. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. We'll keep you updated. I'll give you another update later on after I eat dinner. Peace and love. Peace and love.